How to remove public profile on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to basically remove your public profile on Snapchat because maybe you have created a public profile, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Snapchat application here. And once you launch the Snapchat application here, what you want to do from here is to simply tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen here, and then you'll come to your profile page where you'll find an option that says My Public Profile. So tap on the My Public Profile option here. Once you tap on My Public Profile here, you should be able to see your public profile, where if you'd like to delete your public profile, you can see. So let me just load it up. You'll see the three dots option from the top right. Tap on the three dots option, and from the bottom you'll find an option known as Clear Public Profile. So tap on it and then tap the clear option, and your public profile will get successfully cleared. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually delete your public profile. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.